Hello guys, hope you are good. Today in this video, we are going to do the basics of Selenium using Python language. Like even you can use any other languages like Java, C Sharp, etc. Your wish. Like Python is a syntax, like its syntax is very easy and easily understandable. So we have chose Python.
Hollywood perfect.
Now we will search for Selenium in Google and okay, here as you can see, Selenium automates browsers and primarily it is for automating web applications for testing purposes. So it is actually for like it is a framework for testing web applications. So this is what Selenium is. Now we are doing this using Python language, right? Now if you don't know Python, like what is Python and its basics, how to set up and write your first hello world program, then I have provided the link of the playlist that we have made, that is like see, this is Python for Beginners 2020. I provided the link of this playlist in the description, and in that here as you can see, like in this second video or first video, you will see how to install Python and its setup, everything. We know that Selenium automates the browser. For that we need a driver. So here I am using Firefox. So now what I have to search is driver for Firefox Selenium. Actually it is a Gecko driver. As you can see here, Gecko driver, Selenium download. And it depends on your browser, what browser you are using. If you are using like let's say Google, driver for Selenium. See, as you can see here, Chrome driver, web drive for Chrome. But anyway, don't worry, I provided the link of all the drivers to be downloaded for like Google Edge. So here I'm using VS Code. Okay, if I right click and open with code, we have to import Selenium in the terminal. Pip install Selenium. For me, it will show requirements already satisfied because I have already downloaded this previously. But if you are downloading for the first time, for you it won't show you like that. It will like download and everything. Now we have installed Selenium successfully, and only thing is we have to import the Selenium. Now we have imported the Selenium, right? What we have to do is driver, okay, the variable driver is equals to, we don't need Selenium actually, like whole everything in Selenium. From Selenium what we will import is from Selenium import WebDriver. We need only WebDriver and keys. Like next I will tell you what is that. We need only two things, WebDriver and keys from Selenium. That's it. Okay, now driver is equals to WebDriver dot. Here as you can see, it's showing Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Here I'm using Firefox. Like I have installed the Firefox driver, that is Gecko driver. If you are using Chrome or Microsoft Edge, you go according to that. Now Firefox. Now we have to give the path. What I mean is go to the new folder. Here this is the, what I can say is the path, I mean driver path I have downloaded. Like I have unzipped that, and this is the application, I mean exe file. And now go to there and copy that path. Okay, I didn't copy that. Copy. Now executable path. Here as you can see, executable path is equals to, and paste that path here, like whatever you have copied, paste that path, and that exe file, Gecko driver, I think this spelling is right, Gecko driver dot exe. That's it. We have to make this as a raw string. Now what you have to do is driver dot get. Now we will open the Instagram. Actually, we will automate our login and everything using automate everything Instagram. Like we will give username, password, and everything to the code, and it will automatically open this Instagram page, and it will automatically insert values. I mean username and password. Then it will log in. Okay, I will copy this and I will get here. I'm telling that go to this geckodriver.exe and get the Instagram page. Now we will run and we will see what is going to happen. Okay, now it's taking time. Okay, now as you can see here, it has opened me this Instagram page. I have done nothing. It went on automatically. Now what we will do is click here, I mean right click on this, and here as you can see inspect element, and it will highlight the code that have done, that like developers have done for this phone number, username, and this is the code. And right click on this and copy, go to copy and copy the XPath. Now we will make another variable, bot is equals to driver dot find. Here so many out there, like find element by class name, CSS selector, ID, linked test, name. But here we are going to do by XPath and give that, I mean paste here what you have copied in that. Now what we will do is bot dot, okay, before that we have to import one more thing from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot keys. From that we have to import keys. If you don't want to type this whole thing, just you can type import Selenium, it will import everything. If you don't want to type this whole thing and everything. Okay, now bot dot send keys and give the username of your Instagram, like anything, tdh.ir. I know it's weird. Here now bot send keys tdh.ir. Now we will, after loading the page, okay, even we will import time, and after loading we will stop it for 3 seconds so that the whole page can load and find element that like XPath, and it will find that username and everything. Okay, now as you can see here, it has automatically got this tdh.ir. Now we will do the same thing for password. We will inspect element. Whatever the highlighted thing is there, we have to copy its XPath. Same thing for all. Bot is equals to driver dot find element by XPath, and now we have to send your password. Okay, and now even we will now, as you can see here, it has been highlighted, and now you have to copy this, copy XPath. Here what we have done is we have copied this, we have copied the XPath for this password, and now I have done the code for that, and after that I have copied the login button XPath. Same way, bot is equals to driver dot find element by XPath and paste that XPath here, and now bot dot click. Okay, now we will run this code so that our Instagram home page will open now. We'll hope for that. Okay, now it will wait for 3 seconds. It has been logged in. Now as you can see here, I am in my Instagram home page. Okay, now we will move further. Now we will search for a Instagram page. This is search, right? And we will copy that search XPath. Okay, if you have observed, after clicking submit, I mean login, it has took so much time to reload. Then we will wait for 3 seconds again. Now we have to search find element by XPath, and this is for search button, right? Now bot dot send keys. What we will search for is Tech1Hub. This is our Instagram page, guys. Do follow this page. Okay, I will show you the page. Okay, it has opened, loaded this Instagram login page, password, clicked, waited. Okay, wait, we have to give some time. Okay, what is XPath? Okay, if I tell you, actually it is a technique in Selenium, like to navigate through the HTML structure of a page, like the whole. If I tell you like this whole web page is structured, like its structure is HTML, right? If you know the web development, like HTML, what is HTML, then the web page structure will be HTML, and like it enables us, testers, for testers to navigate through the XML structure of any document, and this can be used on both HTML and as well as XML documents. So that is what XPath is. Okay, now it has now it is searching for Tech1Hub. Now we have to click this Tech1Hub page. Actually, this is our Instagram page. Okay, what we will do is right click on this Tech1Hub and copy the XPath for the same. Copy XPath. So bot is equals to driver dot find element by XPath dot, we have to click that, right? Click, that's it. After clicking, what it will do? It will open the TechHub page. So till that, what we will do is time dot sleep for another 3 seconds. It will wait for 3 seconds, and again what we will do is we will sign out. Okay, what we will do is we will copy the XPath of this, inspect element. Okay, wait, but before that we have to click this thing, right? So copy that XPath, bot is equals to driver dot find element by XPath, and we will paste that dot click. Like here we have to just click, and then we have to go to our profile. Same thing, like just go to that profile, same XPath, we have to copy that XPath of that profile. Okay, bot is equals to driver dot find element by XPath and paste that same thing, and again we have to click. Like after clicking, what we will go? Okay, this is our Instagram. After that we will wait. After that, we will wait for 5 seconds. And again, we'll sign out now. Okay, we have done this clicking previously, right? So that is this one. This one only, right? I think not this one. Wait, okay, we'll copy the X path and bot is equals to driver dot find element by X path, and we will click that too. And now we have to sign out now, right? We have to log out, inspect element, and copy this X path. Bot is equals to driver dot find element by X path dot click. That's it. Okay, now we will close this and we will run this. Now what is going to happen? It will open the Instagram page. It will give the username, password, then click, then it will search for Tech1 Hub, and then it will go to our Instagram, then home our profile page, then it will log out. That's going to happen. It has to happen. Okay, now it's searched. Okay, something error. Unable to locate. Tech1 Hub. Oh, okay, wait, what till? Okay, it depends on your internet connection. We have to mention. Okay. It has, okay, now it has opened the TechHub page. Now it clicked. Now it went very fast. Okay. As you can see, it went everything. Okay, it went very fast, right? So what we will do is time dot sleep for 3 seconds, and same thing we will do. Copy, paste. Okay, final time we will run this. Like here, as you can see, browser is under remote control. It will show whenever like we are testing. Okay, now this is our Tech Hub page. Now it has opened this profile. Like as you can see, it has clicked. Now it will wait for 3 seconds. Again, it will click here. Now it will click on logout. That's it. Okay, now what we will do is, okay, let me log in my Instagram, TDH IR. Okay, now I'm in my Instagram page. I mean Instagram account. This is our. Now after opening this, we need scroll. It has to scroll so that we can see all our posts and everything. To do that, okay, we will search scrolling in Selenium. That's it. From Stack Overflow, we will take that. Okay, wait. We will take only this line, and we will modify this thing. Okay. Now, okay. After opening this Tech1, I mean sending keys, and then it will click. Then it will wait for 3 seconds, and now what we will do is driver dot execute script. We have to execute a script. I mean that is a JavaScript. Okay. Okay. Okay, now after opening our page, Instagram page, then it has to scroll to the end of that page. Okay, something went wrong. What happened? So now it has opened the Instagram page. Now username, password, and then login. Then wait for 3 seconds. Now it clicked. Okay, as you can see, it has to scroll. Okay, as you can see, but you can't see, right? Like it went very fast. Okay, what we will do is, okay, let the process be completed so that we can, okay, it went very fast, right? So it has to scroll a little bit slow. So we will search for scrolling slowly in Selenium Python. That's it. Now from Stack Overflow, you can see this thing. Okay. You can do smooth scrolling. Okay, we will copy this. Now we will paste this after this. Okay, we will comment this whole thing. Now we will copy this. I mean, paste that thing here. That's it. Now after opening our tech page, it will scroll little bit slowly. Okay, error. We will run this again. It happens sometimes because after loading page, it will directly search for, like, after execution of this line is completed, it will go to the second line and it will search for that element. But due to internet lag, that page it won't be loaded. Like that whole thing, like segments, it won't be loaded. So because of that, it is throwing an error. See, as you can see, it is scrolling. I'm not scrolling. The whole program is scrolling. Now it will go profile, and then it will wait for 3 seconds and it will log out. That's it, guys. That's it. This is what basics of Selenium using Instagram page. Now, what? Nothing. Everything is done. Now, even you can do with these other websites, like you can open the Facebook, like open the YouTube for you. And okay, we will run this for one more time. Okay, it has clicked the login. It has opened. Now it will click for Tech One Hub, and it will wait for 3 seconds, and then it will start scrolling. Okay, nice. Log out. Okay. Now it will log out. Okay, that's it, guys. So I hope you have learned something today. And if you did, then please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.
I'm not sharp. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.